Hey everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Google Chrome on laptop and PC. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply open up a browser on your computer, and we can quickly do that by going down, selecting the Windows Start button down here, and then just search with your keyboard Edge. You should see Microsoft Edge come up. Is the default browser for Windows, so select that. Once the browser opens up, go up to the top web address here and type google.com. Once you are at Google, all we need to do is for search Google Chrome, and then the first link that comes up, select that. And now all we want to do, as you can see, this is google.chrome, and now all we want to do is select download Google Chrome. You should see a download up in the top right. Go ahead and select open file, and then you will see Google Chrome start to install right here. Just give it a minute or two it to install. Once it installs, it will open up and you can start using it. Alright, so that's how you can download Google Chrome on a laptop or computer. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.